Hello again, you're joining us on Startup Central. Now, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Duo, we've used all of them for our video conferencing needs when it comes to work and our daily communication as well. And if you recall, the government in the month of April had invited innovators to come forth and create a Made in India video conferencing solution. So then, of course, this was the grand challenge that was announced on the 12th of April. August now, lots of startups have participated, a lot of innovators have sent in their entries. A total of 1,983 entries were received, and this is the figure that we've got. They were evaluated on a three-stage process of ideation, prototype and product, and now we have a winner. The jury has declared Vconsol. It's a product of the Kerala-based Techgentsia company, and they're the winners of this big challenge that has been announced. They're going to get a financial support as a prize, 1 crore rupees, and they are going to get an additional 10 lakhs towards operations and maintenance for the next 3 years as well. And their product is going to be adopted by the government too through a contract. So this is a big achievement. Joy Sebastian, co-founder and CEO of Techgentsia Software Technologies, is joining us from a small town in Kerala, from Alappuram. It's great to have you with us, Joy. Congratulations. It's a huge achievement. You and your team must feel elated. A lot would have been going into the creation of this product, the Vconsol, right?
Yeah, thank you, Vikram. First of all, thank you, everyone. We are the team who worked on Vconsol. Yeah.
Absolutely, and that's what I was saying, that you come from a small hamlet. Your origins are very, very small. But do tell us, Joy, and perhaps a little bit more in detail. We've been using a lot of these video conferencing apps. I started off by saying the Zooms, the Microsoft Teams, all of them have been in use. How is your product really different? How did you go about approaching this? Did you take something as a prototype and build on it? How did you go about it, and how many participants? I want to know how, as a product, how many participants it can take, because I look at current systems. A Zoom Enterprise package costs around $50 a month, and it can take about 80 participants. So I want to understand how you've placed yourself against the existing competition with your product, the Vconsol.
Yeah, you are familiar with the enterprise package of Zoom, isn't it? So that is the features, exact features where the enterprise package of Zoom is providing. That is what we are providing for Government of India right now. That is something that you said, 80 participants active, and now we have 300 passive participants, that is view-only mode participants, with very smooth video and best ever audio experience. That is what we demonstrated before the Government of India's jury.
But Joy, tell us about the process that you followed, because certainly you had to build on something. Did you start from scratch is what I want to understand. Did you kind of use an existing product out there as a prototype that you'd want to build on? Was there inspiration involved somewhere? How exactly did you and your team start off creating the Vconsol?
Yes, definitely. It was a journey of 4 months. So it is a very short period to have a product like this to formulate. So we used our expertise and experience in video conferencing to create an engine from scratch. That is what happened. And we made the prototype that is the limited features in the first 2 months, and with all the features added again in the 3rd month of the development. So that is kind of, it is a product that is from scratch if we consider the source code of the product, but the experience and expertise we got over these 10 years that accumulated into this product.
Tell us about that experience and expertise. You're saying that you've been, as a company, Techgentsia has been around for the last 10 years. You've been operating out of this small town in Kerala. But the kind of work that you've been doing, if you can familiarize us with that, to give us an understanding of the background. You say that there was experience in video conferencing. How did that come to be, and how did you use that in creating the Vconsol?
Yes, definitely. For that to tell, I need to go to my first career job. It was in audio conferencing using voice over IP. And I done my job till 2006 in a company, something similar is doing. And then I started my venture in 2009, which is doing the same thing. That is research and development in developing the video conferencing technology platform. I would like to say, if that technology platform is being used and customized, anyone can do a video conferencing service over the internet. So we got some good clients from US and Europe uh, in the start of 2010, and they were pumping in money in terms of royalty uh, for our technology. So we developed based on that, and that R&D continued for improving their products. Actually, we were just keeping our company as a technology R&D
Yes.
company earlier. So when the innovation challenge came in, we thought, why should we do a product ourselves and showcase it in India? That was the history. So we got some clients already in Europe and US.
Right, and all of that came in very handy for the kind of work that you've been doing for your clients in the past. Those kind of requirements, when you talk about creating a product that is good as part of the entire Atmanirbhar Bharat push, how important do you think such an app is within that kind of gambit, in that kind of scenario that the government was looking for? Because yes, as part of the entire prize, you're going to also sign up a contract with the government. How important do you think that was in the nature in which you had to design and approach the construct of Vconsol?
Actually, it is not the price that attracted us. It is it is the it is the popularity that is going to gain if we win it. That is what attracted us to this challenge. Actually, if I would say, um, this product is something uh, that is designed in such a way that any government organization or any enterprise can use it in their own premises with higher security and scalability. That is what we approached as a philosophy. So we added multi-factor authentication into it, and that kind of security, if you say even Zoom or any other kind of conferencing solution doesn't have, but it will come on cost of a usability factor. When we add more security into the system, then the usability will go down. So this is a kind of software that you are not going to experience in the common applications right now. And of course, it is a very good opportunity for us, like this Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India, that is giving us a big
Yes.
opportunity to showcase. That is what happened.
But Joy, now tell us, how quickly is this product going to be in the market? How soon can we download it? And when you talk about the cost that you incur in being able to create this product and then putting it out there, have you thought through the pricing and the revenues that you are planning to generate through it beyond all the prize money that's going to come in?
Yeah, definitely. That is going to be a very big infrastructure investment that should happen. First of all, to go public. This product now available in all the app store and all, but you cannot use it right now because it is limited access to the government of India right now. But we are planning to come up with a public app for the public usage very soon, and it will be like the infrastructure requirements like the cloud infra and all need to be set it up. Now we are using the cloud service providers, which seems to be a bit higher on price. So the cost of the product will go high. We are inside the company. We are thinking about alternatives, how we go forward and put that infrastructure in place. And now we can start, but in a limited manner, at least in the next 1 month time.
We wish you great luck on this journey that you've embarked on. It's fascinating for the kind of need that there was for an Indian, a made in India video conferencing solution. And now we have a winning entry that the government has announced prize money going out as well. And it's heartening to know that it's a small company within Kerala from Alappuzha, which has actually gone away and won this prize with all the experience it's garnered over the last 10 years of servicing their clientele. Great luck to you and your team, Joy Sebastian, and we are going to keep checking in on you on as soon as this product hits the markets as well. We'll be waiting for it.
Thank you very much, and it is a great honor to be here in front of you people and explain my experience and on the technology. That is very big, and thank you everyone.